Introducing aPriori.
This was 2 years ago. I had two smarter colleagues than me, Lars and Lars. They come up simultaneously with this idea of, hey, can't we do CO2 calculations in aPriori? So we reached out to aPriori. We had this first pilot, and we started with die casting sheet metal. Die casting and plastic molding. And it was really good. And then we quickly came to the conclusion that this really works. So this is, what we have done in our pilot. We have seen much nicer pictures today of the development of this one. We were in contact with our plastic suppliers there, so we could start to simulate if you run recycled plastic materials, etc. So there were some new findings, actually. We start to understand the impact of the cycle time. And we saw, when you speak about cost, then maybe, at least in Europe, then the cost is not a big issue when it comes to electricity. It's only a few % of the total cost on the plastic part. But suddenly, when you look at the CO2 impact, it has a much greater impact. So there were some findings there. We created some report. We added this that we could change we could play around with different, coal production, wind, etc. That was really interesting.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.